welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to bake the all-time classic English orange and cranberry scones. Well, there has always been a debate between the pronunciation of the scones or the scones. Either of it, they are delicious. Well, in today's recipe, it's going to be a very easy recipe and it's super delicious that it sends you back straight to the UK to have afternoon tea with the Queen. So, let's get started.
First of all, prepare the ingredients as shown. This recipe only yields a small batch of 6 to 7 mini scones. If you would like to make more, you can just double the amount of the ingredients. In a clean bowl, sift in the flour, baking powder, sugar, and salt together. Then, give it a good mix. Next, add in your cold diced butter and mix until just combined. You want your butter to be cold. That way, when your scones are baked, you get this flaky and cakey texture at the same time. Once your butter and flour has become crumbly like this, make a well in the middle and start adding your milk. I'm stirring the dough just until I see there's no liquid running through the flour. Then, get ready to dirty your hands. I switch to use my hands to fold the dough until the wet and dry ingredients are just combined. Lastly, add in your orange zest and the dried cranberries and lightly fold it into the dough. Now, you don't want to overfold it or your scones will be tough. Next, lightly flour your surface. Then, use a rolling pin to roll out about an inch thick of the dough and cut out a round shape with a cookie cutter. As for the last step, simply brush the top with a little bit of milk to give the golden brown color when it's baked. Pop the tray into the preheated oven for about 12 to 15 minutes at about 190 degrees Celsius or until golden brown. Now, it's tea time! I just love a cup of tea with the scones. The citrus in the scones give out this light and fresh flavor that goes perfectly with a cup of tea. These scones are just perfect with clotted cream and strawberry jam. By the way, are you a jam first person or a cream first person? is just a perfect treat for an afternoon tea. If you like my video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel. Remember to turn on the notification button so that you won't miss out on any of my videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more!